This man stole your hand sanitizer.
Would you say you're sorry?
No, I don't think that I would.
Then he gave it back.
I am truly sorry for that.
Shelves might be empty across the country, but with this high-proof alcohol hand sanitizer recipe, you can drop-kick the coronavirus into oblivion. This is how you do it.
The first thing you will need is the alcohol. Since isopropyl alcohol is sold out at almost every store across the country, I'm going to show you how to use ethanol, which is the technical term for drinking alcohol. According to the CDC, a solution of 60 to 90% ethyl alcohol is an effective hand sanitizer.
Start off with a bottle of Cheetos.
You can't use low-proof alcohol, but we did the math and you can use anything at least 150 to 190 proof. You'll also need some sort of glycerin gel and some tea tree oil. Hydrogen peroxide would be a good addition as well, but it isn't 100% necessary, so we aren't going to use it. If you're using 151, mix 45 grams or 4 tablespoons of spirits with 11 grams of gel or 2 1/4 teaspoons and add a dash of oil. Mix thoroughly, like really thoroughly, then transfer to a bottle. If using 190 proof, mix 45 grams of spirits or 4 tablespoons, 10 grams of distilled water or 2 teaspoons, 20 grams of gel or 4 teaspoons, add a dash of tree oil and mix thoroughly. Again, really thoroughly. It takes a while, but we promise it'll gel. These will both yield concentrations of greater than 60% alcohol by volume.
So if you haven't emptied your stockpile of booze yet, you can use some to make hand sanitizer. You can also use anything over 120 proof in a spray bottle as a surface disinfectant. Do your part!
And just so you know, I got this mask 2 months ago to work at my crawl space. You didn't think I was one of those supply hoarding assholes like that other guy, did you?
Is that toilet paper back there?
Cut!
Distilled water, fuel alcohol, and essential oils. Sales event of a lifetime. You can get 1 still for the price of 1 and 2 stills for the price of 2. Visit clawhammersupply.com to purchase one of our copper or stainless stills.
I just wanna be pure.